Hello and welcome to this 5-minute daily qigong routine for warming up your joints for your day or for warming up your joints before exercise or Tai Chi practice. It's also developed to relieve joint pain, like from arthritis or back pain. And if you enjoy getting videos like this for free, please click that like button. Go ahead and stand up and come into your Wu Ji posture. So feet at a comfortable distance apart, knees bent, weight back toward your heels. A grounding downward energy. And start by simply checking in with your body. Notice how you feel today. And then in slow-mo, float your arms up about halfway. Turn your palms toward you and bring your hands back as you bring your chin back. Hands forward, hands and chin down. Floating up, back, forward, down. Last time, same thing. And then bring your hands up into holding a ball at your chest. It's about the size of a beach ball. Elbows dropped, shoulders relaxed. Take the top hand and bring it down, palms still facing down, while the other hand comes up, flips out toward me, and then up toward the sky. Press toward the sky and earth as you elongate your spine. And then flip both palms, so you're holding the ball now, the other hand on top. Top hand straight down, other hand comes up, flips out, and presses up. Press toward the sky and earth. And flip. Same thing. Flipping that top hand, now press. Press. Press the sky and earth. Last one. And then pause here for a moment, holding this ball. Release your hands down and turn your toes facing outward if they're not already, bringing your hands into soft fist at your hip points. Shift your weight to one foot and take that empty foot, bring it forward on the ground, place the heel down and the toes down facing forward. And then shift your weight forward as you punch the opposite arm. 60% of the weight forward, 40% back today, and then come on back and step to center, toes facing out, shift the weight over, transitioning slowly. Now the new empty leg goes forward, heel down, toes down. It's still empty until we punch that opposite arm, filling it up 60%. Coming back, shifting over, slow transitions, heel, toes, and punch. Coming back, keep a softness in your joints as you move. Heel, toes, punch, softness in that elbow. Shifting slowly. Slow in the transitions. One more set. heel, toes, punch, heel, toes, punch. And then when you come back to center, just take a moment to release your arms down, coming back into that Wuji posture, that infinite posture. Weight back toward your heels. As you feel this sinking, grounding energy in your feet and legs and pelvis, feel an elongating energy up your spine to the crown of your head, very softly lifting simultaneously. Notice your breath here and take in your surroundings. Right hand into a fist, strength. Left hand flat, tuck the thumb under, friendship and humility. Bringing these together. Ready to continue with the rest of your day, bringing this new sense of awareness and energy and flow with you. So the best part about this mini practice is that it's only 3 moves. So if you do this a few days in a row, inside, or daily, you can begin to memorize it to practice outside on your own. Thank you so much, and be well.